Hi, my name's Etienne and I'm a Product Marketing Manager at SOLABS. Today's video is first of a series of 3 on how to make modifications to document within QM10 without ever downloading or uploading the file using collaborative review. In this first video, I'm taking the role of a document coordinator who has been asked to make changes to the dress code SOP. For this purpose, I will assign a review cycle to the author, asking them to make said changes to the document. The cycle will then come back to me, and I can assign it to reviewers or approvers based on my needs. For this purpose, I have created a workflow template that directly assigns a review cycle to the author of the document that I called author only in review. And when this is selected, as you can see, the document author is not automatically going to be the reviewer. I'm also setting no approval cycle so that at the end of the review cycle, if the author picked okay, no changes, it doesn't go into approval without me having the chance to look at the document once more. All you have to do as the document coordinator is set the workflow, then start the review cycle, and you're done until it gets back to you for the follow-up steps. In the next video, I'll be going through the next steps from the author's perspective.